If your content takes 10 hours to make, you've already lost to someone using AI. While you're editing one video, there are those who have already posted 5 videos, all high quality and ready to go viral. What's their secret? AI replica, an AI version of you that never sleeps, never runs out of ideas, and keeps posting while you're offline. Will an AI replica help you be viral? No, it only helps you work faster. The thing that makes you go big is your mindset. This is how you do it. Step 1, find your niche. If your AI talks about everything, you just confuse the algorithm and destroy your audience targeting. Niche down so it reaches the exact right people. First, define your zone of genius. This is the intersection where your deepest passions, topics you could discuss for hours, meet the specific skills people frequently seek your advice on. Second, niche down to stand out. Avoid broad categories like fitness or travel. Instead, focus on specific groups like small business owners using AI for content or new moms looking for healthy recipes. Next is solve specific problems. A well-defined niche makes you more valuable because your content directly serves the unique needs of your target audience. Finally, a viral preparedness. Having a clear niche ensures that when a video goes viral, visitors immediately understand what you stand for, converting millions of views into loyal followers rather than just temporary traffic. Step 2, let AI do the heavy lifting. If you do the manual labor yourself, you will burn out before you ever scale. You should use ChatGPT to generate high-quality scripts, captions, and content ideas without needing advanced writing skills. Use HeyGen or 11 Labs to speak. Avoid manual recording by using HeyGen for lifelike avatars or 11 Labs for the most natural-sounding AI voices that match your replica's tone. CapCut for editing. Use CapCut's user-friendly interface and pre-built templates to create fast, attention-grabbing videos in minutes rather than hours. And about automation. Set up tools like Zapier or Make to handle repetitive tasks like cross-posting content and tracking engagement so your replica runs on autopilot. Step 3, optimize for the algorithm. In 2026, the algorithm doesn't care whether your content is human-made or AI-generated. The only metric that matters is, does the viewer see themselves in this? As long as your content is relatable enough to keep people watching, the algorithm will push it to the masses, even if it is entirely powered by AI. Here are our platform-specific strategies. Instagram, prioritize reels and authentic stories over polished promotional posts. The algorithm favors relatable, full-screen content that feels real and non-ad-like. Facebook, double down on private groups and encourage meaningful conversations in the comments to boost local visibility and trust. TikTok, aim for 10 30-second videos to maximize retention. Use AI-driven personalization and trends to feed the recommendation engine. LinkedIn, focus on relevance and expert-led insights. In 2026, the algorithm prioritizes dwell time, how long users stay to read your post over simple likes. Use your AI replica to share deep dive industry analysis or behind the scenes of your professional workflow to build authority. Quality over luck. Virality follows patterns like emotional appeal and relatability. Focus on creating evergreen content that provides long-term value regardless of the season. You can keep doing it the hard way, burning 10 hours a day. Your choice. But if you're ready to build your own 24/7 AI employee, AI Fire has the playbook. You can check in our bio. If you want to see exactly how to do this step by step, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video where we'll show you how to build your own AI replica in just 30 minutes. Goodbye and see you in the next video.